Rello, 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 say Rello. And this ain't a song either. This just some things that's been on my mind that I feel like I need to touch bases on. Things I've been seeing in today's society, on Facebook. Y'all might not feel me though, but this just me. Let's get it. Hey, I swear I see the times changing, and I don't like the way it's looking, I'm just saying. Kids want to gang bang instead of playing. Niggas do the crime, get caught, and start singing. Why? They don't make them like they used to do. We used to fight or talk it out, now all they do is shoot. Little girls outside hopscotching all they hula hoops. Now they think they grown on their phone with their day to do. Damn, I pray to God we make it right now. We done been set back for years, time to get right now. And when you face a problem in life, you cannot back down. Somebody did you wrong, I promise it comes back around. Don't let nobody turn your smile into a frown. They don't want to see you make it out your own town. When you wake up in the morning, thank the Most High. No matter where you work or what you drive, long as you getting by. Hey, we worrying about who messing with who. Worrying about everything but you. I'm sick of it. Hey, oh, he got some cheap ass shoes, but you don't know what he going through. We ignorant. If you ain't trying to help your brother, please don't worry about another. Hey, if you ain't trying to help your sister, just say a prayer and hope a blessing don't mess her. Hey, for the pedophiles, deadbeat, child abusers, y'all some losers. Pedophile, deadbeat, child abusers, y'all some losers. Woman beaters too. Oh, I ain't forget about y'all. Okay. For the pedophile, deadbeat, child abusers, woman beaters, y'all some fucking losers. It's Rello. Rock with me though. LOR.